Hello, today we will guide you through how to check Google Ads campaign status. To begin, open Google Ads and make sure you're on the overview page. This is the main dashboard where you can access your account and navigate to different campaign details. Starting from the overview page helps ensure you're in the right place before drilling down into the campaign information you want to review. Once you are on the overview screen, move to the left side of the interface and click on Campaigns. This opens the campaign section, where Google Ads organizes your advertising activity. If the menu is collapsed or expanded differently on your screen, just look for the Campaigns option in the left-hand navigation panel. After that, click Campaigns again in the expanded menu. This takes you one level deeper and brings up the main campaign view. In many Google Ads layouts, the first click expands the section, while the second click opens the actual campaign area. If you do not see the full page update right away, give it a moment to load. Next, click on Ads. This will open the Ads page connected to your selected campaign view. The Ads section is where you can review individual ads and related details, including their current delivery or approval status. This is an important step because the status information is displayed within this area. When the Ads page opens, scroll down until you see the list of ads. This list contains the entries associated with your campaigns, along with several columns that provide useful information. Depending on your account, the table may include multiple rows, so scrolling helps you confirm that the list has fully loaded and is visible. Then, return to the top of the ads list. This makes it easier to view the column headers clearly. Those headers identify what each column in the table represents, and you will need them to locate the status information quickly. Now look for the status column. This column is the key part of the process because it shows the current state of each ad or campaign-related item in the list. The wording in this column may vary depending on what is happening in the account, so take a moment to read it carefully. At this point, you can check the status directly. Review the value shown in the status column for the item you want to verify. This lets you confirm whether it is active, pending, paused, or in another state. If you are reviewing several ads, it can help to scan each row one by one so you do not miss anything. And that is how to check your Google Ads campaign status.